Welcome year ones to Phonics again. Lesson 2 this week. New sound for us today, but to start with we're going to do our tricky words again. So here you're going to put your tricky words, so you're going to need your book and some colouring pencils. Pause now and go and get them if you don't have them. Right, now you've got your book and your pencils. Put today's date at the top of the page, short date. And then you're going to write our 5 tricky words, but this time you're going to use a different colour pencil for each sound in the word. And I've done 2 here for you. So we've got p, ul, pull, and ow, house. The other words you want to put in there are push, full, and hour. I'm not going to show you those. I want you to have a go at those ones. So that's all 5. You don't have to use the same colours as me. Pull, push, full, house, and hour. When you've done that, you can unpause the video. So pause now. Right, now you've got those 5 words written in your book. We're going to go move on to today's sound. Oh no, we're not. Forgot about this. We're going to recap yesterday's first. So I've got 3 pictures here, and I want you to write the 3 words in your book that go with the picture. So here, what's this a picture of? Yeah, it's a child. So it uses the I sound from yesterday. Can you write child in your book? The cat is where? Yeah, is behind the box. Have a go at writing behind. And then with a magnifying glass, this man is trying to what? He is trying to find something. Okay, so now you've got those words written down. Here they are. And I'm going to draw a line. So here we have find, goes to that one. Behind, goes to that one, which means child, goes to that one, and it makes a nice little star picture. Right then, moving on to today's. So we are looking at the O sound today. Now, O is quite a popular sound. So we've got O, O-A, only comes at the beginning or the middle of words, never at the end. O, as in window, this mainly comes at the end. Snow, blow, window. We have the split digraph O sound. And then we have the O and the E together, not split digraph. Now that is not a popular sound at all, and it comes at the end of short words like toe and doe. Our sound for today is O by itself. And I've got, this comes mainly at the end of words, but I've also got some other words where it will appear in today as well. So I'm going to give you some words now. So the first word, so get your pencils ready. First word I want you to have a go at is so. Nice easy one. So. Remember, we're using this sound here. Okay, it's only 2 letters, so I'm going to write it. S O. And you can see this week I am doing the sound buttons. So we've got S O. Another one I want you to write is go. So if you can do so, you can do go. Are you ready for it? We've got the G with the sound button underneath, and then the O with the sound button underneath. So some nice easy ones to start with. Now let's have a go at potato. Po-ta-to. Potato. You'll notice that the O sound in these words are all at the end. Potato. Here we go then. P. O, not O. I suppose it could be potato. I'm getting better at writing with the mouse. Look at me. Won't need a pencil soon. There we go. And let's put our sound buttons in. P, O, T, A, T, O. Potato. Right. Now then, let's try banjo. Banjo. It's a type of musical instrument, a little bit like a guitar. A banjo. Here's the sound buttons. B, A, N, Ch, O. And here's the word. B, A, N, J, O. Banjo. Oh, let's put that O in blue. See where the sound is then. So at the moment they're all at the end. I'm going to give you two more. First one, something I asked you to do in class, is to focus. Focus. So this O sound is not at the end. F, O, K, A, S. Focus. Let's write it. F, O, K. It's a curly K. Tricky one, that. And I've just realised I've done it again, haven't I? Focus. And the last word I want you to do is both. 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 B-O-th. So this one's a bit trickier because, well, not trickier, but it looks a bit different because we've got B-O and th. Remember, that's two letters that make a sound. So both is B. Remember to do it in blue this time. And then the TH, and if you can join them together like I've been showing you in class, they'll look like that. Brilliant. Okay, on to the next bit then. So, this is today's task. This piece of paper is in your phonics book, and it comes, there's two different parts. The first part is you're reading the words, the 6 words here, and you're underlining the O grapheme, so the way you say the O. Nice and easy. And then, this is the hard one. It says, now read the word on the left and circle the letters in the order that they appear in the word from the letter jumble and rewrite the word over here. So I'm going to do the first one for you. Look, so we've got D, O, Nt, don't. So we need to find the D, the O, the N and the T in this jumble. So there's the D. The O is going to come next. So you go along the line until you find an O and you put a circle around it. The N comes next. So you're going to go all the way along until you find an N. And then you want the T. So you go all the way along till you find the T. That's don't. And then we rewrite it over here. D, O, N, T. We don't need to worry about this at the moment. That's called an apostrophe. That means there's a letter missing in there. Then I want you to do the same with this one. So it's R, O, B, ot, robot. And I want you to find the letters for robot in here and then write it on the line. And then have a go at the next 4 all by yourself. No sentences today. Just try and find these words and read them. And that's it for phonics for today. So signing off until tomorrow, where we're going to learn another new sound. Goodbye, everybody.